This is a PSA and a warning to everyone who has fine, thinning hair. Warning is our hair. If you have fine hair, we have no medulla. We have no core in the middle of our hair. So we need to be gentle. We need to be gentle. I see a lot of people coming in with hair. They're actually not having hair loss. They are breaking their hair off really far down on the root. So the things that we have to do is we have to keep the heat down. We have to keep the heat low. If you are using a hot blow dryer and a round brush that has metal in it, you are doubling your heat and you are frying off the outside cuticle, and it is so thin and fragile that now it's breaking off. So you need to be careful when you are doing that. Put your blow dryer on medium or low. Sometimes I can blow dry my hair with cool in the same amount of time as it being warm. Make sure if your hair is super brittle, I would almost do like a vent brush to kind of just lift up the hair and blow dry instead of using a round brush and trying and pulling and using that heat in the round brush. So there is that too. You can still get your body with like a vent brush. Also make sure that your heat tools and your styling tools are on medium or low or under 250. The lower you can go with the heat and still get it done, that's what you want to do. A lot of flat irons go to 450. Make sure it's not at 450 and you are under 250 if you have fine hair. Also make sure your hair is more fragile when it's wet. It stretches and it can snap like a rubber band. So I see this under the microscope a lot of these hairs that almost coil back because they've been stretched so far that they snapped and they broke down way at the bottom. If you are working out and you're wearing a headband, make sure you're sweating so your hair becomes wet and it is a little bit more fragile with that tight headband. So making sure that you're wearing a loose headband, a loose ponytail, moving that ponytail around, that would be beneficial as well. No raking through with a brush when it's wet, making sure you're using a large pick, starting out at the bottom. A lot of people, if you have super long hair as well, almost putting the conditioner in the shower and keeping a larger pick in the shower and kind of getting those tangles out in the shower and then coming out and wrapping your hair in that soft towel or t-shirt is the way to go. So be gentle to your already fine and fragile hair, okay?